Hey, this is Ivory with MunchyGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these air fryer grilled cheese roll-ups. These are so fun and perfect for dipping in soup. For this recipe, you'll need soft slices of bread, shredded cheese, and melted butter. Start by preheating your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 6 minutes. Start by cutting the crust off of the slices of bread and then rolling them flat with a rolling pin. Then add the cheese and then tightly roll the bread. Next, brush each roll-up with some melted butter. Add the roll-ups to the air fryer and cook for 6 minutes. And just be sure to check on them halfway through. Once the roll-ups are done, go ahead and remove them from the air fryer, let them cool, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching.